So Melanie, I wanted to talk to you about the observation that I did with you and your client, and there were a lot of fabulous things that I saw going on with his program, so that was really, really cool. I was there when he was washing hands and after he'd used the restroom, and so he's come a long way for sure. But I did notice that he was kind of waiting for you to prompt him throughout the washing hand procedure. Is that something that he's able to do on his own, or is that something that he's kind of been having issues with?
Sometimes he'll do it, sometimes not.
Okay.
So.
What do you think is the hang up there? I mean, does he not have the physical skills to do it, or do you feel like he understands what he's supposed to do, but he's waiting for the prompt? What do you feel?
It seems like he's waiting, but clearly he's done some of the steps independently, so I know he's capable of doing it, but sometimes he'll just kind of sit there. I'll give him a few seconds, and then I'll prompt him after that.
Okay, so it sounds like maybe he is waiting for the prompt, and he knows that a prompt is going to be happening.
I think so.
Okay. One of the things then probably what we need to look at is the prompt fading procedure that's going on with him and the rest of the aides that are working with him. Because if some are prompting him more heavily than other people are prompting him, then that could be an issue. Because he's always waiting for somebody to step in and maybe physically prompt him or do more for him. And if he's kind of that individual that is going to wait for the prompt, then obviously he's not going to learn to do it independently. So one of the things that I wanted to talk about today was prompt fading, and then also maybe spending some time to talk about how you can train your staff and also his mom into knowing how to fade prompts a little bit more systematically so that he'll be independent. Because again, that's our goal. Our goal is for him to be able to do it no matter who's there, and eventually being able to do it when he's not receiving the support of somebody else, and they can even be faded out of the bathroom so that he can be washing hands independently. And if he's kind of dependent on the prompts right now, then that's going to be difficult to happen. So the prompt fading is really going to be essential for him to develop the independence and be able to perform that skill at any time, at any place when he needs to. So,
That makes sense.
Okay, good.